Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video let me show you a deep weave wig. Many people like deep weave texture and want to see how our deep weave wig look like, and this is a deep weave wig. It's a 13x4 HD lace deep weave in Remy hair 150 density, and our 150 density is actually much more thick than many vendors 180 density. So all our hair is pretty much thick. And look at the front. This is HD lace. Let me show you without the mannequin. And this is first let's see the texture and the thickness of the hair. And see the inside. This is 13x4 HD lace. And see how melt is this HD lace, and the front line. This is the hairline, very natural, arranged, and inside is the mesh cap, comb, and the adjustable band and belt. Look at how beautiful is this deep weave texture. It's one of the most demanded texture in the market. Also, for the deep weave and other type of wig, curly wigs, you have to be taking care of it pretty well. It's not like the straight hair like this. And straight hair is very easy to maintain. You make sure that you can use it and you know how to maintain it in your daily life, so that you can extend the longevity and use it for longer time for your wig. There's no doubt that the Remy hair or the virgin hair both are great hair, but how to take care of the hair is super important for extend the longevity of your wig. So thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you have idea how the deep weave is looking like for Joice hair wig. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video again. Have a great day.